Dear friends, in this video I'll try to show you how to grade Google Classroom assignments. So let's start. For this purpose you have to first of all go on your Google Classroom. So on Google Classroom there are two ways by which we can enter into the grading for the assignment. So if very recently if you have posted the assignment for the students, you can check it from the stream section itself. Say for example here in a streaming it is there. So once you click it, it will take you on that particular interface, and after that you can check it. This is the one way. Second one, if you want to go for classical method, if assignment has been posted for longer duration long time back, and after that you want to check it, you simply go on the classwork, and in this classwork there may be a topic which I assigned for the assignment. At that time it will be get popped up, so it is there on your interface, and this is the what assignment related content, and here is there are certain numbers may be present. So it indicates the turn in and assign. These are the two terms which are more often uh, get confused by the people, but a simple way is that teacher when allot the assignment to the student, that is called as assigned, and when student submit it, student when respond it, that is referred as a turned in. So at present this number 0, it indicates that now new assignment is not given. Whatever maybe assignment were given to the student, they were 18 in number. Now all students they have written, that's why assigned number is 0, and submitted, that is returned or turned in, is 18. So here what I can do, I can simply click on this particular number. So what would happen, I will be there redirected on the interface. So here I have started for assessing certain assignments. That's why this left panel it shows the grading of assessment. So some of assignments whenever they were submitted, I have checked them or I have assessed them, so marks or grades they have given. Now say for example this is the assignment what I want to now assess. So this particular student's assignment, I will find it out here, and I'll start to assess it. Now for the purpose, simply click on that one, and that student's particular page, it will be get opened. What may be the format, either it is a image file, or it may be the PDF, or what may be the kind of document, or it may be the Google document. So student, what maybe student has submitted, it will be get open now. Now once it is get open, our job starts. You try to understand this interface. Here there is I'm trying to show you this assessment in very simple way without using any professional or add in use that extensions. Instead of that, we'll use simple water maybe is present here by default. By using that only, we are trying to check this assignment. I will show that I am trying to make it very simple. So here is the comment. So you just click on that comment, and if starts to read this particular assignment, you would see that the student has given as per your own rubrics entire content, it is there. And once we go ahead with page to page, line to line, and if you feel you want to put marks over there, now say for example this assignment I have allotted for the student for 10 grades or 10 points you can call. So at the end of this particular page of a assignment where student has finished, I can do that only simple thing, this particular cursor I'll use here to mark a simple any area, whatever maybe is written in that area, I'll mark it. So the moment at which I mark and release that cursor, here is a comment box arises. Now this basically this comment box, it is used to revert back the students certain comments, certain suggestions. But here now I'm showing you this comment section, it will be get used for putting the marks. So now this was the portion, or this was the content of the assignment which was graded for the 10 points actually. So out of 10 I want to allot this student 8 grades. So what I can do, I can just put a marking over there in the form of a typographical entry, and these 8 out of 10 marks, or you can call it as a grade, I have allotted. So after that again I will move ahead for the next component of this assignment, and if I notice that student has written very well, I have read that assignment carefully, and in fact line to line as well as whatever may be rubric I have set accordingly, I want to allot this student certain marks. So what I can do here, I will allot the student has written enough for the 5 points or 5 grades. I'm very happy with her performance and I want to give her 4.5, or it may be 5, but more often I will prefer the, instead of a fractional, they should be round figures. So if I feel it is suitable and the candidate deserve for the 5 points or 5 grades, I will give her a 5. Basically this assignment was allotted in 3 sections. There was a student was supposed to complete 3 sections, but she has completed only 2, and a third one has not submitted. So I can't simply make sure that whether she has completed all the content, and accordingly I manually I am marking her now. 5 plus 8, they are total 13 if I'm not wrong, and this 13 I have to put at the top of this you can see that assignment page. So once again I'll select this part, there will be comment to get popped in. So my mark, or you can call it as grade entry, is 13 out of 20. So this is what I have graded manually. Now I'll confirm that one. These 13 are confirmed. That comment is now saved over there in a system. This is again saved, and now one more time I'll save it. So ultimately what happens, all these comments are get saved. Now say for example, apart from this grading, if student you want to give certain suggestions and you want to again get it back from the students, at that time you can directly type here the certain comments, and this particular assignment can be written to the students. Now but I am not going to return this assignment to the students because of final grading should be kept confidential, and that's why what I am doing here, I will not return it to the students. Now very last but very important part is that you have to enter this assignment for generating the grade card. Okay, this entry is not getting to convert into the grade card, please remember. Instead this would be the, this is the main section where you have to put manual entry whatever maybe you had done, that is 13 grades are there. So I will put here 13, and after this I can move ahead for getting assessment of this next students or next. And if you have finished that one, you don't worry, it is get automatically saved. So if you don't, at present you don't want to return it, and in fact I am not going to return. So accordingly you can move ahead or you can switch over back. So after this, say for example, if I turn over there to the next assignment, I know that one this student has submitted it earlier, so it is already graded over. Okay, so I'll try to go ahead with one by one, and I'll try to finish this assignment work. So in this way, any student's assignment is there remaining ungraded, we can check it properly. I hope that you have understood all these basic steps, and definitely you will get benefit of it. Now last part I want to show you here is that, suppose if you have finished with all gradings over there. Okay, so all assignments, if 18 are there and 18 all they have been get assessed by you or graded by you, so what is next over there? So simply what you have to do, you just go on your own main page, and from that there are stream, classwork, and people and grades are there. So what you can do, just click on the grades over there. You will find it out that the mark sheet panel, it is get generated, or grade panel has been get generated here. If it is that single assignment is there. Okay, so here you will find it out that this is the grade page, and of course the marks or grades have been get entered in a single glance. You can have a look for that. So now how to export this grade card, I'll show you in next video, but at present this may be quite enough for your assessment process. So dear friends, thank you very much for watching this demonstrative video, and definitely I will provide you some other videos also in coming sections. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.